Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to help you find the perfect wedding dress for you. Spell day. Your wedding day is one of the most important dress you will never, and it's important that you feel and beautiful and it with so many styles and designs to chase for. It can be, but I am here to give you some ideas and inspiration for the traditional ball gowns to modern sleek designs. There is a modeling idea to match your personal taste and style. I have together a collection of different style and classes allowance so that every bride can find something that shows here perfectly. Each dress is made from luxurious fabric such as top, and this details will add a touch of glamorous to your look and make you feel like through process on your spell day. Will your dress is on pace of your bridal look. Accessories like jewelry and hair piece can take your look to the next level. You can such a beautiful national look or flower for man. The possibility ideas here analyze and wedding the rigid accessories will give you a dress a personal touch. It is important to remember that dress can be examination, but I have also some more affordable open that style look stunning. The key is to find a dress that make you feel amazing. Any much it on of the best thing about dresses is that they come in a range of size so every bride can find in perfect. If you can find what you are looking for, any customization to make your address unique. I hope this video is given you some ideas and inspiration for your bell gown. I am so thrilled to dive into one of the most important aspects of any wedding. Please chasing the perfect dress for the spell day can like I text, but fear of not I have to retain a variety of beautiful ring ideas that will inspire your and help you find the count of your drums. When it comes to garden dresses, there is a style of very personal taste and perfection. Whether you give to world classes and design are perfect, something more bow and furry, there is dress up there that will perfectly set your style for this vein to make a ground feel like with statement is the perfect choice and not will live everyone in all it you will turn the is all the ideas I am sharing with you have be famous Sally Bright fashion is will you can be that the air tried and will make you like thank your special day remember your wedding reset should your personal style and make you feel free to get and have fun with your choice. I hope you find this ideas helpful. If you have any question, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the video. It will help me create more content like this, and if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. You feel but fear not have the classes to elevate your look to new of elegance and personalization, delicate Julie, captivating valleys and whimsical flower can enhance your style, adding a touch of tradition or bohemian allure the magicless in the details and the perfect combination of accessories will make you feel truly unique and examination on your special day. We understand that wedding dress is a significant investment, but rest assured that accessories will make you feel truly unique and examination on your special day. We understand that is a confident investment, but rest assured that we have only locally stunning. Remember the
price tag does not surely terminate the beauty of the dress. It's all about who it makes you feel. You need not drain your bank account to discover the perfect queen you here when ye- yearning dress is the pace of your amble the rigid accessories for the power to elevate your look to new heights of allowance and personalization. Jewelry captive flower that is entirely unique to you. Dermatag will can best store a drafted from variety of fabrics, tulle and stone and embellished with this dress style offers an extra touch of glamour of your seeking more understand. Said dress might be the choose this style both sleek and modern hot that style the body mode from fabrics such as sleek hair grey ship glasses can be provided with from lights fabrics like silk crepe and can be paired with accessories by adding carefully stitched with and has you can create look that is unique as you are. Dermtech well can enforce touch of precision into your outfit. Will a delicate flower clown can with a complete understand that wedding dress can create look for the and flowing dress is the animate choose this short and fabrics like version fabrics include tulle and with here everybody to add extra touch of glamour.